Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you guys have a front wheel bearing noise, the wheel bearing is going out on the front left or the front right side, we're going to explain what needs to be done to remove and replace front wheel bearing guys. On some cars they're very complicated, on Chevy Cruze they're not so complicated, and we'll explain why. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now guys, if you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see guys where you can get car parts from for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let me explain what we did here quick guys. This is an explanation video about the bearing. It will cover everything that you need to do in order to remove it guys. If you want to see the actual procedure, we have the video. We'll be making the video on the channel. We just ordered some parts. So now, as you can see, this is a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole first generation guys. We have the brakes disconnected. This is the caliper right here guys. This is the disc roller, okay, right there. So once you guys remove your caliper, your roller, okay, you will need to remove the caliper bracket for that. So first you have two bolts for the caliper, then you have guys two big bolts for the bracket that attach to the wheel hub assembly right here to the steering knuckle. Then you have the roller that's attached with one bolt, okay, right here towards the hub. You remove all that and you get to your bearing guys. This is your bearing, wheel bearing right here. So on most cars, you know, nowadays they make them complicated to where you have to have a press to press them out and press them in. On this one guys, super simple. They just sell the whole assembly, the wheel the bearing assembly, wheel bearing assembly, also known as hub. So how you guys remove it? You need to get a 32mm, okay, 32mm socket right here guys, and you're going to remove the nut for the CV axle. Once you guys remove the nut for the CV axle now, okay, let me come on the back side right here so I can show you. You have guys three bolts that hold that hub towards the, okay, to the steering knuckle. One here, one on top, one on the other side. And you can see the bolts, okay, kind of through here. 1, 2, and 3. So they're like triangle guys. But two of the bolts are super easy to reach. Third one guys is actually, okay, right here above, okay, the CV axle. So if you guys cannot get a socket, what you have to do, you have to disconnect the CV axle. We have the video on the channel how to do that. Just search for CV axle replacement. You get that bolt loose on the lower ball joint right here guys, and when you get that bolt loose, you're going to pull the control arm down. You disconnect the steering knuckle from the control arm. You will get the CV axle out, and then you can get to the third bolt. Once you get the three bolts loose and you remove the CV axle guys, you just slide that hub out. So not very complicated at all guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.